I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy, you already great. I'm undefeated, I feel the genius inside me.
11 Pro vlogging just became better. What's up, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. So in today's video, Filmic Pro just released their new app called DoubleTake, where you can record 2 screens at the same time. You can record your wide angle and your ultra wide using your iPhone 11 at the same time, or you can do your wide angle and your front facing camera at the same time, which is very awesome. And guess what? The app is free. Yes, I said free, ladies and gentlemen. So let me go ahead and show you this app. Here it is down here. It's called DoubleTake. You tap on it. Once the app opens up, bam. As you can see, you got your record button right here. This records in real time, so if you ever use the Filmic Pro app, it records already. All the settings are already like set up from your Filmic Pro app. Here's how you change your camera screens. You tap down there in the right hand corner and you got your selfie, your wide, your ultra wide, and your telephoto. So how you can want to record your screen, so you know I can record myself whatever frame I'm in. You can record at 1080, 24 frames per second, 25 frames per second, 30 frames per second. No 4K frames per second yet, maybe in a later on update down the road, but this app is really great. You can record in discrete mode where you can have multiple videos, you know, jump back and forth from different cameras. If you want to do picture in picture, that means it's going to be the main video and you lay a small little box corner right on top of it. Or you can record split screen, especially if you're doing some Instagram stories or, you know, Twitter. You want to show people what you're talking about, so you don't have to flip the camera back and forth. It's already automatically recording it back and forth. But this new app, it's been great. You know, I can, you know, set up a wide angle, bam. So we look at that. Now you look at me. I'm looking so far in distance, like woo. I look far. You know, wide angle, ultra wide. You can. That's right there in discrete mode. If you want to do it in picture, which is the same thing. You know, you can move this little box around. I can move that around. I'm still wide angle, you know, ultra wide. I didn't move the box, but you know, you can place the box. This is picture in picture. Or if you wanted to set it up split screen. So if I did it split screen mode, you see there's 2 different screens. Me and split screen going itself. So I can do, you know, do little Instagram stories back and forth, yada yada yada. But this new app made iPhone vlogging for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro way better. Changed the game for the iPhones, because, you know, ever since Apple announced that iPhone was coming out and Filmic Pro announced their new app, I bet you everybody went and bought the Filmic Pro app if you didn't have it already. And the reason why I know that, because I'm one of them dumb people that bought it. But hey, it is what it is. We got this new app. It's free, called DoubleTake. Go ahead and check it out in your app store. This video is not being sponsored at all, so they're not paying me to say none of this, but I just want to let you know, if you do make content with your iPhone and you want to get better content, yeah, try out DoubleTake. Let you record 2 screens at the same time, get your content in. But hey, if you want to see more videos like this, you want to see what this app can really do, leave a like down below, subscribe if you're new, and other than that, but the DoubleTake, do not sleep on the app. You know, I'll be testing that one thing, see what else I can do with it, record myself. You know, you got the selfies in different modes, selfie, wide angles, you got a whole lot of that. So, but other than that, if it's your boy Brandon, if you like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Oh.